we are seeing how to fix up an vermi bed. So this is a very old bed which we are using for almost 3 years. So I'm just showing this for a demo. So just a minute. So see this, we have given side packets. So these side packets, you can install a heavy stick or an GI, MS pipe or an iron rod. So we have given this at 8 places. 3 on this side, 1, 2, 3, and 3 on the other side, 1, 2, 3. And also here in this side, center 1 and the other side 1. So you have to make 6 plus 2, 8 pillars. You have to just put it, and you can also just excuse me, you can just hammer it, or you can just put a deep hole and you can do. So don't use a very thin stick or a PVC pipe, it may not last for a longer time. You can try using an UPVC pipe, but still steel rod or something, iron rod will be very good. So the roof, no, I'm just asked them to take it and put it. So just the roof, no, you can just put it. So with the supports, no, suppose whatever the height you want, you can give the height. If possible, put a PVC pipe or a small stick so that it can stand very well, and then you can put the roof like this. It's very easy, normal thing. So only thing, you have to put the pillars so that you can just put it depending on the soil. You can just put it half feet in or 1 feet in or 2 feet in, depending on your soil. You can do it. So normally these vermi beds, you put it in a shaded area. See, this is a very area where only half the area gets sunlight. So other thing, it was exposed to the sun. So when it's exposed to the sun, the nets will damage first. The other thing, the worms also will escape from the net. Worms doesn't like heat, so it needs a place where shade is there. So for that only we are putting the cover. Even though when we are giving top cover, this area should be covered with a shade net or something. See, this area they have covered with an additional shade net. So like this also, you can just put a shade net, or you can just put a cover. So while handling, the only thing you should take care is the the net. You should not damage this. This one, no, last time while they are taking it up, they just one of the labor, they just put the hand inside the net, so it got damaged. So you should be very careful in using this. And see, this is the cover. See how they are putting. Just put the pillars, and then 2 people is enough to install it. You can just put it. And still on the sides, you know, if you have some problem, if you feel that it's not standing straight or something, you can put some extra pillars like this. See, extra pillars has been given at the outside of the vermi bed. You can also use this hollow blocks or bigger stones on the sides to pack it, so it can stand well. So if you want any size changes, or if you want any model, we can give it. And we have also drain given at the bottom. So I will also show the drain. The drain helps in collecting the excess water out. So at the bottom, no, you can just make a small hole, and you can the hole in the bed is already given. The hole in the ground, you can just dig it. You can use a PVC pipe like this, maybe 1 inch or 2 inch pipe, 1.5 inch pipe, depending on the size of the bed. We have given the hole at the bottom. You can just put a pipe, and you can collect the vermi wash. The excess liquid gets collected at the bottom. That's called as the vermi wash. So you can use that as a good fertilizer.